Welcome to the 16th installment in Trading Strategy Guide's Trading Education series. Today I'm going to talk a little bit more about charting with TradingView. Hi, this is Tim from TradingStrategyGuides.com. Thanks for coming back for this installment of our Trading Education series. In today's video, I'm going to talk in more practical terms about charting with TradingView. Just to be sure everyone's up to speed, TradingView is a web-based trading platform with all sorts of cool features. I went into a bit of detail in my video a couple of weeks ago. I'll post a card in the upper right to link you there in case you haven't seen it yet. Again, I want to stress that this video is not sponsored by TradingView, nor am I sponsored by TradingView, or anyone else for that matter. And actually, these videos are not even monetized on YouTube. So, like I've said, you're getting my unvarnished opinion. Well, let's kick this off. Today we're going to talk about modifying your chart properties and adding indicators and modifying them to meet with your expectations. The chart I'm starting with is the only chart layout that I use on TradingView. TradingView will handle multiple layouts, but for my purposes, one layout works well. I'm going to create a new layout to demonstrate how to manipulate chart layouts. As you know, I like to keep my favorites toolbar up here, just because it's handy and most of the stuff that's underneath it is not stuff that I use on a regular basis. But for right now, I'm going to shut that off by clicking this star down here in the lower left so that you can see what's actually underneath it. So to create a new layout, you just click this down arrow on the right of the layout button right here, and you get this menu. Select New Chart Layout, click it, and it's going to open a new chart window with the default chart layout parameters. Personally, I don't like these chart colors. They kind of look washed out to me, but that's just me. We all have our personal preferences, but I would most likely change them. So to make changes to the chart settings, you just click on this gear icon up here, and you get the chart settings dialog. I am not going to go through all these chart settings. I'm going to leave that to you. I recommend you spend some time playing with them. You'll be shocked and amazed at all the things you can control. To change the chart colors, you simply select Symbol up here, and these are the chart colors that you can change. I prefer darker greens for my candles, and I like my reds a little bit more red. But I have old eyes, so my preferences may not agree with your preferences. Change them however you like. Once you've gone through all the settings and you have them set to your liking, you can click on Template right down here, select Save As, and type default into the theme name, like so. Now every time you open a new layout, you'll get your favorite settings. Click OK right here. Yeah, I like these colors better. Another quick thing that I always change is the volumes. Now, you guys know I like to use volumes in my trading, but I don't really understand the thought processes behind putting the volumes in the same chart pane as the prices. I mean, just about every trading platform I've ever used has this problem, and what happens is the prices and the volumes run into each other and it gets very confusing. So I always move the volume to its own chart pane. To do that on TradingView, you simply right-click on the volume bars, select Move to, New Pane below, and you'll see that it separates the two into two panes. That way you don't have any volume bar and price bar collisions. I'm going to show you another nice feature of TradingView that a lot of other platforms don't have. I'm going to switch back to my primary chart layout to demonstrate, because I have a lot of indicators already on there. Nice thing is, when you hover in one of the panes, you can see over here these icons. You have an up arrow. You have an up arrow that allows you to move it up one pane. Down arrow allows you to move it down one pane. The X, which I'm not going to click, deletes the pane. And the box here allows you to maximize the pane. That's very nice, especially up here on the price bars. If you have a lot of open indicators down here and you want to open up your price bars and see them a little more carefully, you can do that and go full screen with the price bars. And then you can easily switch it back. These are all very handy features in my opinion. And the other feature that I use frequently is the ability to hide and unhide indicators and such. I use this feature quite a bit in my trading pick videos. Anyone who watches those trading pick videos know that I use the parabolic SAR for trailing stops, but I typically don't turn it on until the market has hit the first target. It's a real pain to have to add the indicator and remove the indicator every time you do it. So this feature is nice. You can see SAR right here, and you can see this little eyeball icon. Click on the eyeball icon, you have your parabolic SAR, click on it again, and they disappear. So I don't have to look at the parabolic SAR when I'm not needing it, and I can turn them on anytime I want. I also use the MAX strategy periodically, which uses the 100 period moving average and the 20 period exponential moving average. I can turn those on and off same way. Very nice features. Again, I encourage you to experiment with all these features. You're going to find some of them useful in your trading, some of them are distracting, but at least you're going to know which ones are which, right? Okay, that wraps it up for this video. Don't miss our next installment in the Trading Education series next Wednesday, and I'm going to go through a few more of the charting capabilities of TradingView. And of course, don't miss my Trading Picks videos on Friday and Monday every week, where I actually use TradingView to do my analysis. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you'll be notified when these videos come out. Have a great Wednesday, and I will see you with a new trading pick on Friday.